Hello to all girls. I welcome to you all to the clapping assembly. Today we all get to clap our hands together. I want you give yourself a big hand. Now before we get started clapping our hands, let's all pray our hands together. Everyone pray your hands with us. That's right, girls. Pray your two hands together. Now as you pray your hands, you can feel you're in the assembly. And you can also hear the clapping hands as well. All right, now it's time to get started clapping our hands in 3, 2, 1. That's right, ladies. Clap along. Now as you all clap your hands, you can see my two hands clapping together by making this sound. And you can also see another girl clapping her hands together as well too. And you feel like you're in a concert or a talent show. You can hear lots of clapping hands and lots of applause.
Oh yeah, baby. This is the best clapping assembly we ever did in our lives. I know, right? The clapping assembly is so much fun.
All right, girls. Now that we all clap our hands, now it's time to stop clapping our hands, so we can rest them. Well, girls, I hope you all have fun clapping your hands together at the assembly. And I hope you have fun clapping as well. See ya.